Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Using a blender as a juicer. Wash your fruit. Scrub all fruits with a brush if they are visibly soiled before you put them in a blender, especially a smoothie blender. Peel the fruit. Cut the fruit into small pieces. Place diced fruit in blender. Blend on chop setting shortly. Stop the blender and taste the juice.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once your oranges are prepared, simply add them to the jar of your electric blender. Pour water or any other juice just to cover them partially and blend until smooth and liquefied. When properly blended, optionally strain the juice through a fine mesh strainer to remove any pith and enjoy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Combining smoothie ingredients in the wrong order can cause frozen fruit and ice to get caught in the blender's blades. Too many frozen ingredients are another reason the blender might be stalling. Use a mix of fresh and frozen fruit to ensure a smoother blend.
Let's help you make your mark.
Even regular milk, almond, or coconut milk would work just fine as a blending juice. Although there are blenders specific for making frozen fruit smoothies, almost any blending device would do just fine. Just put your mix of juice or milk and Greek yogurt into the blender and turn the knob.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.